What type of scrap steel is Zonkin Baler suitable for processing? Hello everyone, this is Zonkin Equipment.
In June 2025, Zonkin developed the world's only multi-cylinder baler, which is also the most advanced baler in the industry today. It compresses scrap steel into rectangular bales, and is compatible with a wide range of materials, including steel plates, sheet plates, car shells, domestic scrap, steel wire, and light gauge scrap. In fact, it can handle almost all types of the scrap steel. The Zonkin Baler's key advantages lie in its multi-cylinder structure and the construction machinery-grade quality standards, which give it a longer service life, lower energy consumption, and higher baling efficiency. Over the long term, this reduces operations costs and improves profitability.
Zonkin, a top brand of scrap steel processing equipment from China.